back to my channel. My name is Aquila and I would love for you guys to join. So for today's video, it's not really a long video. I just thought I would get on and say that thank you guys for over 200 subscribers. It's not that much, but we're still growing. We're at exactly, I think 236 right now. That's what it was. But yeah, so I'm just gonna make this video for calling out all small YouTubers. So if you're a small YouTube, if you'd like, comment down below your channel name and what you do on your channel, and also subscribe to me if you haven't already. And this will just help us all grow and yeah, see what the future holds for all of us. But that's it. That's what I wanted to get on and say. Thank you for watching. Bye.